Welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down paragraph 6C survey from the TREC One to 4 family residential contract. This section outlines who will provide the property survey, who pays for it, and when it's due. Let's get into the details. Option 1, existing survey with T-47 affidavit. If you check the first box, the seller must provide their existing survey along with a T-47 affidavit. That's a sworn statement saying no major changes have been made to the property since the survey was done. This must be delivered within the number of days written in the blank. If the seller fails to provide both the survey and affidavit on time, they'll have to pay for a new survey. Also, if the existing survey or affidavit is rejected by the title company or the buyer's lender, someone must pay for a new one, and you specify who, seller or buyer, right here in the contract. Option 2, buyer gets a new survey. The second option says the buyer will order and pay for their own new survey within a set number of days. But here's the catch. If the buyer doesn't get it done, they can't terminate the contract based on survey issues under the financing addendum. So if you check this box, make sure the buyer understands the responsibility. Option 3, seller provides new survey. The third option means the seller will pay for and provide a brand new survey within a certain number of days. This is often used when no existing survey is available or when the property boundaries have changed. Key tip: only check one box in this paragraph. Be realistic about timeframes. Surveys can take days or even weeks to complete depending on the season and location. And always verify whether the title company or lender will accept an old survey before relying on option 1. That wraps up our breakdown of paragraph 6C survey. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and stick around. Next, we'll look at paragraph 6.d, which covers objections to title and survey issues. See you there.